Conditions in Asian investment property markets remain firm. Hong Kong and Singapore in particular have been very strong, with Hong Kong set to overtake Tokyo as Asia's top urban investment centre in 2017, while increasing activity in India is a sign that that country is starting to mature as an investment market. This strong background should persist. Economic growth is accelerating globally, with China, Hong Kong, Singapore and Japan all set to achieve higher growth this year than last year, and prospects for 2018 bright. US interest rates are clearly due to rise from now on, but the pace is unlikely to be fast enough to force Asian nominal interest rates up rapidly, and with inflation creeping upwards, real interest rates ought to stay low in most Asian countries for a few years yet. We therefore agree with the conclusion of Collier's Hong Kong Investor Survey that strong conditions should persist in key Asian centres in the near term, and think that transaction volumes could rise again next year, with yields perhaps falling even further. However, stretched valuations are becoming an issue. For example, Grade A office property in some Tier 1 Chinese cities now has a very narrow or even negative spread versus 10-year bonds. Singapore remains one of our preferred markets in valuation terms. While scarce, prime office properties here offer a 1 to 2 percentage point spread over bonds, and rents are rising as occupier markets recover. Against a generally favourable background, we have asked what so-called black swan events could upset the rosy picture. In our view, the greatest risk to investment property values in Asia is a sharp global or regional financial market downturns stimulated by rich valuations, for example, in technology equities. We also highlight the chance that investment markets may suffer from signs of reduced demand for leased CBD office space from financial tenants due to artificial intelligence. We estimate the probability of these outcomes at 35% and 20% respectively. Both outcomes seem more likely to materialize than a major Asian conflict, to which we only assign a 10% probability.